Butandweji haba harimo umwerere w'ukwezi kumwe abandi mukaga baferaho uteri no kutirangwa abandi bantu babiri bafa barga kwikibo mu irwaro. Butandweji negamba kuba yabaho ushaha nkamunana zihangwe riri izuba gurigirira Joyce Bagonza waireberaho n'ameshoje nagira ngo Butandweji yarga akuvugisa ikimama
sangira abantu amazirero kukuwa babayigiremo baba bigize hanze usajye babiri babyamire bakwire barohe impingo nyari batanyasembera hari nyasanga umukazi no mwana akwire nawe wabyamire n'abasajye bakwire.
Abandi bantu abayereberaho n'amesho gabo Butandweji nebaho nabo beine ikibazigambaho
rero umwana ku munana nikitwe zigikiranye muri ngondo zere ba speed nyinga benairuka muno
averere mu irwaro bamaze kumuriyama kyonke ndemirambo ebaira site hali abo bona bafwerero flat.
Bishatsi wetu yagambaho na Amran Tumusime or RDC wa district ya Kube kandi oguyahamya Butandweji ari kugira ngo abapolisi aba baba bagire umceka ekiri kumanyanka kaboya ukugira abantu abakwatayo abantu batekatekwaho kuba bayejumbire umbwitsi.
We lost our officers. These officers were going to the search in one of the homes of a suspect who was arrested in connection with the murder of one of the residents. Unfortunately, when they reached here, they got an accident. We lost on spot 3 officers, including their head, the Inspector of Police, Charles Matua, who was leading the officers. We also lost suspects including there are 3 of them, and including a 1-month-old baby. The mother is also among the suspects and is also among the suspects who died.
Muringo ngogumwe Julius Aran Hakiza uri umugambizi wa polisi umutange cha Albertine region yahamya ko Butandweji yabaho kandi yagira ngo polisi kiriyo negezaho ukumanya amazina agabantu abafera mu Butandweji. Makuraga gasha kwa gada saba wa Sky TV agenshonga muri Kikube.